Magandang gabi, Ryan. Base sa resulta ng pagsusuri na yan, saan daw galing at sino ang nagpakawala niyang mga drone na yan?
Magandang gabi, June. Sabi ng Philippine Navy, posibleng inilaunch ito sa pamamagitan ng submarine o kaya via air o kaya naman ay isang mothership. Kung sino ang nag-launch nito ay walang impormasyon tungkol dyan, pero isang bagay ang malinaw, karamihan sa mga drone ay may tatak na China. Nakumpleto na ang pagsusuri sa 3 sa 5 underwater drone na natagpuan sa iba't ibang lugar sa territorial waters ng bansa mula July 22 hanggang Disyembre noong nakaraang taon. Ayon kay Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, tagapagsalita ng Philippine Navy sa issue ng West Philippine Sea, hindi nila masabi 100% na gawa at idineploy ng China ang mga drone base sa naging resulta ng mga pagsusuri.
There is a 55 to 80% likelihood that this was deployed by the Chinese Communist Party. Why 55 to 80%? Is because of the components inside. Not all of them have markings that they were made in China. Others are available commercial off the shelf. They have the capability to receive, to process, to store, and to transmit data through satellite communications to a station on land, to a mothership, or to other drones.
Natapos na ang Level 1 at Level 2 exploitation o yung antas ng pagkuha ng impormasyon sa mga drone. Ang Level 1 ay tumutukoy sa pisikal na katangian ng drone gaya ng kulay, bigat, sukat, marka at iba pang pisikal na katangian nito. Samantalang ang Level 2 ay ang pagsusuri sa loob ng mga drone. Lumalabas na 2 sa 5 drone na kulay itim ay mga uri ng military grade drone.
There were CTD sensors or conductivity, temperature, and depth sensors. They had AVS, acoustic vector sensors. Some of the components were available off the shelf. Some of the components had markings from China. Others had defaced markings to probably prevent reverse engineering or to hide the identity of the source.
Ang drone na na-recover mula sa Kalayaan, Cagayan noong Agosto ng nakaraang taon ang pinaka-intact sa 5 drone. Mayroon din itong CTD sensor, external Chinese marking at SIM cards na huling nag-transmit sa mainland China.
CTD sensor had external Chinese markings. The integrated chips inside were sanitized or were defaced. There was an iridium transceiver with serial number HWA Create. HWA Create is a company that focuses on defense, civil, government, and industrial solutions, the headquarters of which is in Beijing. There was a China Telecom SIM card. The information gathered focuses on bathymetric data. It also collects information on sound propagation underwater. All of this information have uses commercially, for scientific research, for academic purposes. They have also dual use for military use.
Ang drone na nakuha sa Inatao, Misamis Oriental, Oktubre noong nakaraang taon, bukod sa CTD sensor, may tatak din na ang battery nito mula sa 18th Research Institute ng Chinese Electronics Technology Group na pag-aari ng gobyerno ng China.
The 18th Technology Group Research Institute of China of the CETG is the primary sub-company of the CETG when it comes to integrating civil and military research. CETG Corporation is also responsible for the BOIN, Blue Ocean Information Network, which is being used by the Chinese Communist Party in the South China Sea to study the underwater terrain. The information that BOIN uses has dual use purposes.
Sabi ni Trinidad, ginagamit ang mga ito sa pagmamapa sa ilalim ng dagat.
In today's generation of warfare, information is key. He who holds information will have an advantage. Any potential adversary who would like to harm our country would need to know the information not only on land, on air, but more importantly, since we are an archipelago, underwater information. These drones give them that information.
Ipinauubaya na ng Philippine Navy sa Department of Foreign Affairs kung ano ang magiging aksyon ng pamahalaan sa mga resulta ng mga drone. Mula noong Hulyo noong 2022, 5 underwater drone na ang nakuha ng mga mangingisda at itinurn over ito sa mga otoridad. Pinakahuli ang nakuha sa Masbate, Disyembre ng nakaraang taon. Ito na ang pang-5 drone na hindi natapos ang ikalawang bahagi ng pagsusuri. At yung isang drone na June, yung pangalawang drone na nakuha noong 2022 ay debris lamang yon, kaya hindi na sasailalim yon doon sa second level. Bali ang inihintay na lamang ngayon itong second level nitong pang-5 drone na nakuha sa Masbate noong nakaraang Disyembre. Diyan muna ang latest mula dito sa Camp Aguinaldo. Balik sa iyo, June.
Maraming salamat, Ryan Lacanlale.